Alright guys, I got the trail camera set up. I'm gonna leave it here for a month or two to see what we catch. We're moving to a new location and going to be setting a new trail camera in a different spot that we hope to bring better footage. But in this little area, I'm still in the regular swamp area, just in a different location. I've been seeing a lot of tracks, mostly deer, but it is a water source, so everything drinks water. Every living creature drinks water, so it's a good chance we're going to catch other things in this area. Please hit that like and subscribe button. It helps us out and allows us to be able to continue to do these trail camera videos. But anyway, y'all take care, God bless, and see y'all in a little bit. So we set the second trail camera out actually a few weeks ago, and I'm back at the first location again. And the reason why is because the weather, everything's getting warmer, which one day we had 80-degree weather, and then Mississippi it dropped down to 20 the very next day, and we had a little bit of snow. So from 80 to 20 with snow. So Mississippi weather is beyond crazy. And right now the snakes are crazy because of the crazy Mississippi weather. Right now it's a little cool, but it's still warm, and the snakes are out. So I'm going to go get my first camera in the swamp and move it to a location that's down the trail, somewhere where I can get off the trail a little easier and possibly avoid less snakes. So I got my snake boots on right now, and we're ready to roll. Finally got this camera set up right here. It was something trying to get that new tree mount in the tree, but I finally got it, so I'm going to leave the camera here sitting for a good while. But this is going to be the last part of me, so this footage will be at the end of the video. So anyway, y'all hit that like and subscribe button, and y'all take care. God bless.